And 2963, everyone on the hour, contact sign 0120,
2963 at 20.8, American 2963, good day. Frontier Flight 16 is ready for push off gate 1.
Mission start approved.
Start approved, Frontier Flight 16.
Good afternoon, Copa 147. We are at gate number 14. Have information to Zulu, request clearance to Panama Documents International. Report, climb initially 5,000 feet via host to expect vectors in Copa 147.
47, read that to them.
JetBlue 2126 is ready to taxi Zulu.
126, taxi Foxtrot Alpha Charlie to the holding point runway 07, expect a backtrack.
Foxtrot Alpha Charlie, and you said it's a backtrack for runway 07?
Affirm.
JetBlue 2127. JetBlue 2126 will be holding short of 07 in Charlie.
26, Answer Tower. Enter on of our taxiway Charlie, backtrack into position for runway 07, and in position clear for takeoff, wind 130 degrees 6 knots.
Clear the back taxi for runway 07. Once in position, we are clear for takeoff on 07. JetBlue 2126. 07 tower.
With 126 Airborne 09, I contact Frank, center radar 120, test full light, good day.
Thanks, JetBlue 2126, good day.
Flight 16 is ready for departure.
Chase clear for takeoff, runway 07, wind 130 degrees, 5 knots.
Runway 7, Flight 16.
The American 282 is right inbound, runway 7.
282, signs of tower, continue approach runway 07, wind 130 degrees, 5 knots.
282.
Runway 230 line, runway 07, wind 130 degrees, 6 knots.
Runway 7, American 282.
6 Airborne 12, contact Frank, radar 120, that's light.
Frontier 16, have a good day.
And 282 on time 16, make it Bravo, contact ground 1217.
Thank you, Bravo 217, American 282. That's Southwest 1832, taxi.
1832, taxi Alpha, holding point runway 07, contact tower 11875.
Alpha, holding point, runway 7, 1875, Southwest 1832, have a good morning.
1805 Tower, 1875.
See you next time, Rouge 1805. Runway 3650, runway 7.
3650, Carolina, runway 07, wind 110 degrees, 7 knots.
Runway 7, runway 3650.
M2738, we're still holding for gate 14.
738, Roger, your gate is being vacated now, stand by taxi.
273, sure.
Ground American 857, information Zulu, ready to copy clearance to Kilo Papa Hotel Lima.
Well, 1 sign to tower, continue the final runway 07, wind 120 degrees, 5 knots.
1541.
Envoy 3650, on sign 188 VK Bravo, contact ground 1217.
Commander Bravo, 117.
OS 1832, tower confirm ready. Alpha with 07, wind 130 degrees, 7 knots.
1832 for takeoff from my set.
Tower Rouge 1805, short of 7, ready.
05, copy, stand by.
Stand by.
Clearing base for the 07.
11, clear to line runway 07, wind 140 degrees, 6 knots.
Just down to the 7 on track on 1.
This one is 32 airborne, T1, contact from Soda 130, that's where it is. Rouge 1805, line approach, runway 07.
07 Rouge 1805.
Southwest 1068, City on RNAV 07.
That's 1068, time start, continue approach, runway 07, wind 100 degrees, 7 knots.
Southwest 1068.
119 tower, 33, vacate at the end, contact ground 1217, beautiful landing, sir.
117, North, 541, very much.
Zero 05, clear for takeoff, runway 07, wind 10 degrees, 7 knots.
Top runway 7 Rouge 1805.
Copa 147, approaching Hornet 1 runway 07, already.
147, copy, standby.
147.
1068, clear to land, runway 07, wind 110 degrees, 7 knots.
7, Southwest 1068.
Zero 5, airborne 25, contact Frankfurt, I want to 05.
18 Rouge 1805, see you next time.
7, Avret 3000, Yarnet 7.
5835, good tower, continue approach, runway 07, wind 10 degrees, 7 knots.
Any approach for runway 7, Southwest 500.
Line up on wait, runway 07.
8 runway 07, Copa 147.
68 on time to vacate Bravo, contact ground 1217.
Vacate on Bravo, on ground 217, Southwest 1068.
47, clear for takeoff, runway 07, wind 10 degrees, 8 knots.
Takeoff runway 07, Copa 147.
147 airborne 30, contact Sanford, R120, select, good day.
8, Copa 147, thank you.
583, clear to land runway 07, wind 112 degrees 10 knots.
Clear to land, Southwest 583.
Tree on time, tree vacate, Bravo, contact ground 17.
On Bravo, ground Southwest 583.
Afternoon Tower, Southwest 9019, ready for departure 07.
Clear for takeoff, runway 07, wind 110 degrees 8 knots.
Clear for takeoff 07, Southwest 9019.
Tower, contact approach runway 07.3 miles, wind 090 degrees 90 knots.
Continue, 43 miles next, let us angle.
Southwest 9019, airborne 35, contact Sanford, R120, select, good day.
Southwest 9019.
DNA 1628 will be ready to taxi.
Gateway to the American taxi Alpha, holding point runway 07. 583, taxi Alpha Gate 1. 583, taxi Alpha to Gate 1.
Go to Gate 1, Southwest 583.